Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I'm here to show you this DIY I did. So I am going to also list everything you would need at the bottom, but I will also tell you. So what you would need, oh my God, is two different types of glues. You would need, first you would need the Fashion Infusion Permanent Fashion Adhesive glue. That's this glue right here. um you will need some embroidery appliques. You will need some just to show you what I'm talking about, some embroidery applique flowers like this. You're gonna need some E6000 glue. You will need a, oh my God, excuse me, y'all. You will need a small point like this, paintbrush, and you're going to need some AB crystals. I'm not all the way through, but I just wanted to show you what I have done so far. So what I will be showing you is this purse I had for a while, and I had it decorated a different way, but then I just thought it didn't suit what I wanted for this purse. So um, I took that off and I actually did this. And so the first thing I did was I actually glued the embroidery on with the Fashion Adhesive glue right here. Once I let that overnight, I would take the other two and put on. Then I'll take my little thin brush and I will put in a tray like this the glue and thing. I will put the glue in. Now we'll put the E6000 glue in, and once I do that, I will go follow the darker pattern on the, oh, excuse me, y'all, on the appliques, and I will put the E6000 glue, and I will and I will put the rhinestones on. I will put the AB crystals on there. I think it turned out okay. So let me show you what it looks like. This is what the front looks like. I think it looks something. It looks kind of designer and everything after I put these on there, but I just think they look very pretty. But I'm almost through with it. But yeah, but this is what the back look like. I'm not putting one on the back. I just think the one on the front is enough. So y'all, thumbs up this video if you like how it looks. If not, tell me some other things you would love me to put flower appliques on, because I do have more appliques. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.